We've all been there. You're running late. He's texting. I'm outside. Outside? And your makeup bag is staring at you. Like, good luck, girl. But don't panic. With the right techniques, you can look flawless in under 5 minutes. Here's your ultimate guide to fast, effortless makeup that keeps you glowing and on time. Step 1, speedy skin prep. Time 30 seconds. Before anything else, hydrate. Moisturized skin means a smooth, natural finish. No cakey disasters here. Plus, if your moisturizer has SPF, you're knocking out 2 steps in 1. Double win. Apply a lightweight moisturizer with SPF. Let it absorb for a few seconds. This is when you grab your concealer. Step 2. Magic of tinted moisturizer. Time 45 seconds. Forget heavy foundation. A tinted moisturizer or BB cream is your best friend for quick, natural coverage. It evens out skin tone while keeping things fresh and lightweight. Apply a few dots in your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Blend with fingers or a damp sponge for a seamless finish. If needed, add a touch more to problem areas or extra coverage. If you are enjoying these quick tips, hit that subscribe button now and join our community for more fast, fabulous makeup hacks. Step 3. Concealer, your quick fix. Concealers like a magic eraser for dark circles, redness, and blemishes. Apply sparingly but strategically. Dab under the eyes, around the nose, and on blemishes, use your ring finger or a brush to blend quickly. A little goes a long way. Don't overdo it. Step 4. Blush and highlighter. Instant glow. Time 45 seconds. Blush wakes up your face instantly. A cream blush is perfect because it blends fast and can double as a lip tint. Apply a dab of cream blush on the cheeks, lips, and nose. Blend with your fingers for a seamless, flushed look. Swipe highlighter on cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the Cupid's bow. Step 5 on eyes, but keep it minimal. Time 60 seconds. You don't need a full eyeshadow look to make an impact. Keep it simple. Lashes and brows make all the difference. Curl your lashes. It makes your eyes look instantly more awake. Apply 1 coat of mascara for definition. Lightly fill in brows using a brow pencil or gel, optionally. Dab a bit of highlighter in the inner corners of your eyes for brightness. Step 6. Lips, the final touch. Time 30 seconds. Go for something quick and effortless. Lip gloss or a tinted balm is your best bet. Apply a hydrating lip gloss, balm, or stain. Smack lips together and go. No precision needed. Final check and out the door. Time 15 seconds. Look in the mirror. Blend any rough edges. Fix any smudges and mascara. We're looking at you. Grab your bag and head out. He won't even know you got ready in 4 minutes. Bonus tip. Keep these essentials in a mini makeup bag for quick touch-ups on the go. Final thoughts? Looking flawless in minutes. You don't need hours to get glam. Just a few smart hacks. A little tinted moisturizer, blush, mascara, and glossar. All you need to look effortlessly radiant. Next time you're in a rush, just follow these steps, trust the process, and own the night. Drop A in the comments if you love this quick makeup hacks. Tag a friend who always takes forever. And please subscribe for more hack tips.